110V RV air conditioner on the road. R32 high-efficient refrigeration. Latest fashion streamlined outdoor unit. Fast cooling, heating and dehumidifying. Impressive airflow. Energy saving and environmental friendly. Ultra-thin indoor unit. Silent operation for comfortable sleeping. Intelligent defrosting and filter cleaning prompt. Multiple intelligent operation functions. Smart remote control or Wi-Fi control. Suitable for outdoor travel RV.